What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we are going over the Natix or Natix or whatever you want to call it. This is from Natix Product Support. I just ripped off the label for privacy purposes. But I didn't see an unboxing video anywhere on YouTube. So I decided I can't be the only person wondering what comes in the box. So we are going to do just that. So this is an international package. As you know, came from Hong Kong. All right, very nicely packaged. That's it. Here is the device, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, and that's it. So here is the device, nice and beautiful plastic. Let's get this guy opened. All right, beautiful. The plastic has been removed, and now here is the device. Oh, more sealing. Now let's try to open it. Beautiful. Here we have, which I'm assuming is a QR code to the app. Yep, quick start guide. And then here is the Natix device itself. Pretty good packaging, honestly. That's it. So that's it. It's just what's in here. Probably like a power cable or a data cable or something. It uses a micro USB. That is honestly hilarious. You would have thought that they would use USB-C, but you know, somebody made an executive decision there. I don't know what that is, but let's get to the device itself. And then I will let you guys go, but I was just curious. And I'm sure some of you are as well. Okay, I got it. So the screws are used to plug this bracket in so it can stay in place. I'm just so surprised that they used micro USB. This is it. I'm going to get it set up, and I'll update in another video. Cheers.